Hello, pre-K students. This is our math lesson for today. Are you ready to start? The objectives: represent, count, and write the number 1. Root count numbers from 1 to 10. Count from 1 to 10. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you guess the number of the day? The number 1. Let's meet the number 1. Hello, my name is number 1. I love the number 1. Will you come on an adventure with me and see how many ones you can see? Number 1 wanted to go on an adventure. Can you help to pack number 1's bag by clicking on each item? Here we have 1 apple, 1 teddy, 1 telescope, 1 purse. Number 1 set off along the road. He hopped along on his one leg. What do you notice about the road? As he hopped along, he sang a song. A downward stroke, that was fun. Now I've made the number 1. It was taking poor number 1 a very long time to hop along the road, and soon he felt tired. Suddenly, number 1 saw a transport shop. Which type of transport do you think number 1 should choose and why? Number 1 will choose 1 balloon. Yes, he will not choose 2, 3, or 4 wheels. 1 balloon for the number 1. Up and up went the hot air balloon. Number 1 looked down on all the sheep in the fields. I wonder which field has only 1 sheep. Can you help? Which field has only 1 sheep? This one. Yes, well done. This field has 1 sheep. Did you need to count the sheep? Up and up he floated in the balloon. Number 1 went past 1 cloud, 1 bird, and 1 sun. Which picture is the right one? How do you know? 1 sun, 1 bird, 1 cloud. It's this picture. Yes, this picture shows 1 sun, 1 bird, and 1 cloud. How many things are there all together? What is 1 plus 1 plus 1? 1, 2, 3. Feeling very hot and tired, number 1 decided to land the hot air balloon and go home. This is number 1 street. Which house do you think belongs to number 1 and why? This house has 1 door and 1 window. It's the house for the number 1. Which numbers live next to number 1? We have number 0 and also the number 2. What an adventure number 1 had. Let's look at all the things he saw today. Hot air balloon, 1 sheep, 1 cloud, 1 bird, 1 sun. Can you spot 1 on the number track? Can you count along the line from 1 to 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where is number 1? Yes, number 1 has some friends. They are called number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. You will meet them soon. What is this? It's a car. We have number 2 and number 1. We have one car. How many cars do you see? One. Next, we have a burger. We have here the number 1 and here we have the number 5. What do you think? We will circle the number 1. Yes, we have one burger. How many burgers do you see? Only one. It's a bunny. We have the number 1 and the number 4. We circled the number 1. Yes, it's one bunny. How many bunnies do you see? Only one. Look, it's a beach ball. Here we have the number 3 and here we have the number 1. How many beach balls we have? We have one. Again, how many beach balls do you see? Only one. This is the number 1 formation. Start at the top and down we run. That's the way we make a 1. You can do this activity. Write the number 1, draw and color one flower. Good job!